Alright, we're going to be installing a drive shaft loop on the Turbo LS Isuzu Hombre. We've got a little jegs universal bolt-in deal. It passes the tech requirements, I guess. But we got a custom two-piece drive shaft in here from PST. And according to the rules, it's got to be within 6 inches of that U-joint. And on the front shaft, for some reason this shaft is okay to throw it out and not contain it, so we're only going to worry about containing this front shaft. Y'all are in for a treat. I usually don't put my face in the video. Never done that before, so whether it's good or bad, here I am, I guess. Just trying to get an idea of what I'm going to have to do on each side as far as bracket to mount this thing. Could do like I've done with my trans cross member and my cross member for my center support bearing. Do a piece of 1/4 inch angle, cheap, easy, strong. What else do you need? Let's see what I come up with here. Alright, it's been a few days since I've been under here working on this thing, but made up a couple L brackets here, popped my holes in it. Got one on this side too. This is what we come up with. See, pretty well centered in there. It's within, I think it's supposed to be within like 6 inches of the joint. I'll have to measure that, make sure I can scoot it forward a little bit if I need to. I've got plenty of room, but that's what we got so far. I just gotta weld those to the frame, get some more hardware. The kit didn't come with enough. Surprise, surprise, but that's what we got so far. Keep y'all updated as I pluck away at this thing. It has taken me like 3 weeks to make this video, but as you can see, got her all welded in, both sides, bolted in, secured, she's in there. That's what we come up with. It ain't beautiful, it's not high tech, it's just a drive shaft loop. It does what it's supposed to do. It makes a loop around the drive shaft. What else do you want? It passed tech, went to the drag strip the first time, went 7.0 at 99 in the 8th. It's pretty good, and I'm happy with it. I need to do a walk around video of this truck. It's pretty neat, pretty cool setup. Got a few cool parts and stuff on it. We'll do something like that before long. Anyway, it's a little video on installing that. See ya.